Take a look at this. The National Hurricane Center now monitoring this area off of the East Coast for potential tropical development. Not really until it gets into the warm waters of the Gulf there, but still we have a low risk once again, and it really does feel like deja vu. We've seen this a few times over the past few weeks. We get these long troughs that do set up here, basically out over the Gulf Stream, stretching out over towards the west coast into the Gulf, and it enhances showers. We've been seeing thunderstorms across the Jacksonville area over the last few days due to said trough, but now, as almost expected, as this pushes towards the west, it's going to move over those warm waters, and we'll start to see some rotation out towards the South Louisiana, and eventually this could move over towards the Texas area. The big thing, the big impactor, though, is going to be all about that moisture. And here's a look at that tropical moisture. Still on Wednesday afternoon, we have a weather impact alert in place for Jacksonville due to heavy rainfall, thunderstorms that are coming with that. But as it moves towards the west, we're actually going to start to see some dry air lift in from the south, making things relatively drier for Florida heading into the weekend, but obviously more moist and thus more rainfall for our friends out there to the southeast coast of Texas, across Louisiana as well. But these are what those sea surface temperatures look like. So where this is trying to spin up based on some of the guidance, SSTs are up near 88 to 89 degrees, shy of 90. And what I like to say with this type of situation, just think about if you have a good bonfire going, it's not too hot, we're starting to get it started, but then somebody just pours gasoline on it. And that's kind of the case when we get those sea surface temperatures up to about 90. There's a lot of latent energy available for this. Overall, though, the big issue is going to be this right here, the rain totals, as we continue to look ahead over the upcoming days. No guidance is really screaming big development. You can see the ensembles kind of have two right there on top of each other, GFS and Euro on Thursday, but it's not showing like a full-on hurricane out here or anything like that. The big issue is just going to be a continued rainfall as we look ahead for the upcoming days. So I'm meteorologist Robert Spetta. Make sure you check out the Hurricane Central at firstcoastnews.com for more information.